Hey guys, Rick is here, back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this Cursed Lake Lies, Deception and Fantasy style drop. So the final result will sound like this.
Every single night.
So if you want more presets like this, make sure to check Dirty Tag Frame 1. In the preset pack, you'll find all the presets you need to make this Cursed Lake kind of style of music. So now let's dive into the presets for the bass and the lead. So first we're gonna make the bass. It's quite acid kind of style bass line with some resonance. So selecting the preset. For oscillator A, we're gonna go for the sound wave, 11 unisons. Route envelope 2 to the D tune. Shape it like this. So the sound is slightly detuned, lower than 2 octaves. And select the band plus. Then I'm gonna switch the wavetable position to around here. And that's it for the first oscillator. So now oscillator B. We're gonna go for the triangle wavetable. Sounding like this. So as you can hear, this will kind of destroy the sound. So we're gonna destroy it even more with FM modulation. Then some filtering, the low 24. Cutoff quite low with envelope 2 to the cutoff. Just around here, so you only get the bass feel of the sound. So as I said earlier, the sound is quite acid, so we're gonna put up the resonance. As you can hear, this will really add some more harmonic to the sound. Then some on the legato. And that's for the oscillator, so now effects with a little bit of hyper dimension. Route envelope 2 to the hyper. And some distortion to finish stuff. We're only gonna add some drive like this and put up the master volume. And there we have the bass line of sound. So now let's dive into the lead, sounding like this. So select our preset. Both oscillators are gonna be saw waves, 1 octave up. Then we're gonna route envelope 1 to the fine tune of both oscillators. Then disable BPM and set the rate to around 12. Slightly lower down the LFO. As you can hear, that's really give that dirty kind of feel to the sound. So now it's time to add some more unisons. 9 unisons for oscillator B. Sounding like this. Now we're gonna add some PWM to the first oscillator. To just around here. Then we're gonna select mono legato always and slightly portamento it to give it sound more glide. Then we're gonna shape it first, then we're gonna shape the envelope a little bit. So now it's time to dive into effects. First we got some distortion. Some downsample to add some more harmonics to the sound. Sounding like this. Then some dimension. A little bit of phaser. Just to make it sound really weird. Some more chorus. With a high pass filter. Then it's time to give this sound a low cut, just to make room for the bass line. And slightly boost the highs of the sound a bit, to open it up a bit more. Then we're gonna add some OTT. lower than the lows of the sound because we already have the bass now for that. And to finish it off, we're gonna add some more reverb and delay. Just something like this. So together it sounds like this. So then we have the drums, we have this clap samples from original. Just a really thick kick with some hi-hat loops. So altogether the sounds sound like this. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like. See more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next videos.